Hi students, in previous video we discussed about what are the definitions of position of a point, power of a point and length of the tangents, and we discussed some more problems on position of a point also. So in this video we are going to discuss the power of a point, discuss the problems on power of a point and length of the tangent. Okay, let us see what are the problems. Okay, see students, find the power of a point 5 comma minus 6. Find the power of a point 5 comma minus 6 with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15. Okay, this is the circle equation and this is the point. How to find the power of a point? In previous video, how to find the position of a point. What a position of a point means, that point maybe is in interior or exterior or on the circumference of the circle, on the circle. Okay, so that is depends on the S11. So S11 means that is the power. So S11 means some distance between center to the point minus radius square. Okay, the difference of squares of the distance from center to the point and the radius of the circle. Okay, in this video, so we have to find the power of a point. The power of a point means just we have to find the value of S11. Okay, so let us see how we can solve. A given circle x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 equal to 0. Okay, so for this and given point P is 5 comma minus 6, let it be x1 and y1, let it be x1 and y1. Therefore the power of a given point with respect to the circle s is equal to 0, with respect to the circle s equal to 0 is S11. So what is S11? x1 square plus y1 square plus 8x1 plus 12y1 plus 15. Okay, plus 15, which is equal, I have to substitute, this is x1 and this is y1. So 5 square plus minus 6 square plus 8 into 5 plus 12 into minus 6 plus 15. Okay, plus 15. That equal to, so 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 8 5s are 40 minus 72 plus 15. Okay, 72 plus 15. So what is the answer is 44. So this is the power of a given point. So coming to the position of a point, how can we say what is the position of a point? If S11, so see, if S11 is less than 0, the point is an interior point. Already discussed in the previous video. S11 is greater than 0, that point is an exterior point. S11 is equal to 0, that point is on the, lies on the circle. Lies on the circle. But coming to the position of a point, sorry, power of a point, this value is only the power of a point. Okay? Understand? Right. Thank you. See the second problem. Find the position of a point with respect to the circle. So what is the point? This is x1, y1. X square, y square minus 2x plus 8y minus 23 is the equation of the circle. Okay. So how to find the position of a point? We have to find the position of a point means S11. So S11 is x square plus y square minus 2x1 plus 8y1 minus 23. So what is x1? 2 square plus 3 square minus 2 into 2 plus 8 into 3 minus 23. So 4 plus 9 minus 4 plus 24 minus 23. So answer is 10. This is the position of a point. Okay. This is how we have to find the position of a power of a point. Power of a point. Okay. Let us see some more problems. You see, students, these are some more problems, 2 more problems. You have to practice it. Okay. Pause the video and practice it. So next we are going to discuss about the tangent, length of the tangent. So say, students, in this problem, find the length of the tangent of a point to the circle. So length of the tangent means this is a point. What do you remember? This is a point onto the circle. So that it will be P and that it will be T. So PT is the length of the tangent. This is the tangent and length of the tangent is PT. So what is the formula for length of the tangent? Root over S11. Length of the tangent is root over S11. So we have to find the root, square root of S11. So given circle is x square plus y square minus 25 equal to 0, and the given point, so what is the point? P is minus 2 comma 5, which is x1 and y1. So therefore the length of the tangent of P to the circle x square plus y square minus 25 equal to 0 is square root of S11. Square root of S11. So that equal to square root of S11 means x1 square plus y1 square minus 25. So what is x1? Minus 2 square plus y square minus 25. That equal to square root of 4 plus 25 plus minus 25. Minus 25 plus 25 get cancelled. So which is equal to root 4. Root 4. That is, so 2 is the length of the tangent. 2 is the length of the tangent from point to the T. Okay, which is so we have to find the length of the tangent. Formula is root S11. For finding the position of a point S11, which is less than, greater than, or equal to, finding the power of a point, only we have to find enough to find the value of S11, and for length of the tangent we have to find the square root of S11. Okay, let us see some more problems. So students, another problem is point 2 comma 5 and circle equation is x square plus y square minus 5x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. This is point. Have to find the root S11, x1 square plus y1 square minus 5x1 plus 4y1 minus 5. So substitute x1 square 2 square plus 5 square minus 5 into 2 plus 4 into 5 minus 5. Minus 5. 4 into 2 minus 5. So that equal to square root of 4 plus 25 minus 10 plus 20 minus 5. Okay. Length of the tangent is root 34. Root 34. Okay. In the same way, we have to find when the point is 0 comma 0 and the circle equation is x square plus y square, and the circle equation is x square plus y square minus 14x plus 2y minus 14x plus 2y plus 25 plus 25. We have to solve. Okay. Okay. See students, in previous problem we have to find the length of the tangent from point to the circle, but here he has already given that what is the length of the tangent. Already has given the length of the tangent is 1. Okay. Find the value of constant. Find the value of k. Okay. Already has given the length of the tangent from the circle from the point to the circle is 1 unit. From point to the circle is 1 unit. That means he has given the square root of S11 is 1. Square root of S11 is 1. Now we have to find the value of k. Let us see how to solve this. Given circle is x square plus y square plus 2ky is equal to 0, and the given point is 5 comma 4. Given point is 5 comma, that is x1 y1. Okay, and given that, also given that the length of the tangent from point to the circle is 1. So that means square root of S11 is 1. Square root of S11 is 1. What is S11? x1 square plus y1 square plus 2ky1 is equal to 1. 2ky1 is equal to 1. Now squaring on both sides, we get x1 square plus y1 square plus 2ky1 is equal to 1. 2ky1 is equal to 1. So what is x1? 5. So 5 square plus 4 square plus 2k into 4 is equal to 1. So 25 plus 16 plus 8k is equal to 1. 8k is equal to 1. So that implies, so 25 plus 16 is 41 plus 8k is equal to 1 plus 8k is equal to 1. So 8k is equal to minus 40. So 8k is equal to minus 40 by 8. So k is minus. Here, how to solve the value of, how to find the value of k. Already he has given that the length of the tangent is 1 unit. So we have to equate the value of length of the tangent to root S1 is equal to 1, root or x1 square plus y1 square plus 2ky1 is equal to 1. So x1 square plus y1 square plus 2ky1, substitute the values of x and y to get the value of k. Okay. See students, another most important problem for your examination scientific point of view. So what is that? The length of the tangent from 2, 5 to the circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0 is root 37. In previous problem, the length is 1 unit, but here the length is root 31. Again, we have to find the value of k. This is root 37. Okay. So say this is the circle equation and this is the point. So what is root S11 is root 37. Squaring on both sides, we get S11 is 37. What is S11? x1 square plus y1 square minus 5x1 plus 4y1 plus k is equal to 0. Plus k is equal to 0. Okay. So that implies x1 y1 is root 5. So 2 square plus 5 square minus 5 into 2 plus 4 into 5 plus 4 into 5 plus k is equal to 0. Plus k is equal to 0. So 4 plus 25 minus 10 plus 20 plus k is equal to 0. So 29, 49, 39 plus k is equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 30. Okay. So I am very sorry students, which is equal to 37. Which is equal to 37. Sorry, 37. So 37. So 37 minus 39 is minus 2. So k is minus 2. So these two problems are very important, 4 marks for your IB examination. So please be concentrated on these two problems. Very easy. Okay. In next video, we are going to discuss about some more problems on length of the tangents. Okay, thank you.